Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making Panang Curry with chicken. This dish is savory and robust, but easy enough to make on a weeknight. Let's get started. For the busy home cook, there is no shame in using prepared curry paste. This is the brand I'm using today, and we'll build in more flavors as we go. Do you have a favorite brand of Thai curry paste? Please let me know in the comments. I opened a can of coconut milk and spooned out the top portion, which has all the fat. Fry for a minute, then add the curry paste. Continue to fry over medium heat, about 2 to 3 minutes, until you see the fat separate from the paste. I added half a cup of chicken broth and 1 chicken breast sliced. What will you use? White or dark meat? I'm bruising the lime leaves to open up the flavor before throwing them in. This is peanut butter I made earlier today. Make sure you use natural peanut butter for this recipe. Also adding some brown sugar. We're gonna cover and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then add the remainder of the coconut milk and fish sauce. Simmer for a few minutes. Then add the onion and bell pepper. Continue to simmer until they soften. Then once you remove the heat, garnish with fresh basil leaves for some brightness. Serve over steamed rice. Guys, this is comfort in a bowl with luscious coconut, creamy peanut butter, and tender chicken. This is by far my favorite Thai curry. Hope you tried this simple and easy recipe for Panang Curry. And let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.